Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the smart band. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications on your smart band, your band needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Mi Fitness application to send the notifications to our smart band. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll all the way down to the list of applications. On this list, find the Mi Fitness application and tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Then go back to settings, scroll all the way up, find the option called Bluetooth and tap on it. And here you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 7 on the list of My Devices. Tap on the info icon next to it and make sure that the Share System Notifications option is enabled. Once it is, we can close the settings and open the Mi Fitness application on our iPhone. So let's open it. In the app, let's tap on device icon. On this page, we should see our Xiaomi Smart Band 7. This is the device page with our Xiaomi band. Now scroll down and find the option called Notifications, App Notifications. Tap on it and turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch. You can also disable them by tapping on the same switch if you want to. Okay, and once you enable the notifications, you will see a couple options. Wake screen. If you enable this option, when you receive the notification on your smart band, it's gonna wake up the screen on it. And below, we have the different apps and features that can send the notifications to your smart band. We have phone, so if you enable this option, I believe you will get the notifications about the calls and who's calling you, WeChat, QQ, Alipay, and other. If you want to receive the notifications from applications that are not on this list, you need to enable the other option, like this. And once you're done customizing the settings, you can go back to the... Actually, we can close the app. And at this point, we should be able to receive the notifications on our smart band. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got the message on our iPhone and also on our smart band. We can tap on delete to remove it. We can tap on it, I believe. No, we can't. So we can remove it. We can swipe right to skip it. We can also open the notifications menu by swiping down from the top of the screen, like this. And here we can clear the notifications. We can tap on them to read them, like that. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.